Okay, so welcome back. So solve natin tong lab na to ngayon. Lab na file path traversal, validation of start of path. So this lab contains a path traversal vulnerability in the display of product images. The application transmits the full path via a request parameter. Okay, full path. And validates that the supplied path starts with the expected folder. So chine-check lang niya kung yung start ng path ay galing sa expected folder. So, to solve the lab, retrieve the contents of etcpasswd. So, let's start the lab and look at the request here. So, let's open an image. And, ayan, sabi dito, var images 2.jpg. So, sabi ng lab, vine-verify lang daw niya kung nag-start ba yung file path sa path na to. So, with this, we can still use ../ here. So, tanggalin lang natin yung 2.jpg and let's do ../ here. etcpasswd. And ayan, nag-load na yung ating icon and if you look at the request, we have retrieved yung laman ng etcpasswd. So, anong pinagkaibahan nito dun sa ibang ginawa natin? So, before, diretso lang natin na dinalagay yung etcpasswd sa file name na parameter. Pero ngayon, since binavalidate daw niya yung harapan ng ating file name na parameter, then ang pwede na lang natin gawin is instead na ito lang yung ipasa natin, isama natin yung var images, pero damihan natin yung .. hanggang makarating tayo ng etcpasswd. Okay? So, isa lang to sa mga variety ng methods na pwede natin gamitin for LFI. And I hope na gets nyo tong video na to and see you in the next video.